Hi guys, Carmen here with Clean Cut Graphics, and on today's video we will be teaching you how to use Siser Brick. Alright guys, so what you'll need today is your sheet of brick, you'll need a mat, you'll need a weeding tool, you'll need some scissors, and whatever garment you desire to put your brick vinyl on. Ready? Let's go. Alright guys, so now you'll go and you'll find a design of your liking. We have chose a decal that says I paused my game to be here, and we are going to be making a kid shirt. So once I have my design, I figure out what size I want it on my shirt. Once I get it on here, then remember, when you're cutting out words, you have to horizontal flip over so your words come out perfect and not backwards. So we went ahead and clicked on our image, went to flip, and we mirrored it, flip horizontal. Once it is flipped, we can go ahead and push on the button make it, and it'll send us over to our machine and it'll show us the size and how it's going to cut it. Once we get it there, then we put our vinyl on our mat and we insert the mat into the Cricut. Now, settings for brick is light cardstock. It is very important that you do a test cut on your sheet, just because your blade could be a little different, or if it's your first time cutting it, it's better to see what settings are better for you. So if you're using a Cricut Explorer Era 2, the settings for this one is a light cardstock, so same as glitter. My setting is correct. I have insert my sheet in my mat. I'm going to go ahead and press continue on my screen here. Once that tells me that my settings are good to go, I will be able to press on the cut button. Alright, it does give me the fast mode. Some machines have it, some don't. That's okay. I am now pressing the cut button, and here we go. Alright guys, now that our image has been cut through our vinyl, we are going to cut the excess off. And like always, save your scraps. You never know when you need just a little bit. And even these little pieces could be used for baby onesies, hand towels, what else? Kitchen towels or whatnot, even beanies. So save your scraps. We are going to start weeding out the extra. I always start at a corner and go at an angle. That's going to be cut out there. Alright. Now, a trick to weeding, I always say, if you don't know what part you're supposed to weed, always leave your image up on your screen so that you could always go back to it and you can see what needs to be weeded out and what needs to stay in. Alright, and as you guys could see, it's actually very easy to weed. Alright guys, now that our decal has been weeded, it is ready to press. Let's go on over to the heat press. Alright guys, now that we have our decal cut and weeded, we are ready to place it. For kid shirts, I normally do 3 to 4 fingers. Usually I like to do 4 fingers for adults, 3 for kids. Once you find your area of where you want your decal, you are ready to press. Heat settings are 311 degrees for 20 seconds. Remember, firm pressure on this one. And all right, let's go. All right, there is our decal. We are going to wait for a little bit. Siser Brick is a cold peel, so that just means you have to wait for it to completely cool down. I normally let it sit for a while, I bring it away from my heat press. For those of you that don't have the patience, all you gotta do is bring it over to a cold place, like the same place you were working on. Let it sit on a cold desk or table. Go ahead and press your neck shirt or whatever else you're working on. Let it sit for a little bit. But once it has cooled down, you can take off the carrier sheet. All right, guys, now that our decal and shirt have cooled down completely, go ahead and grab your carrier sheet from the corner and pull back at an angle. And there we go, guys. Your shirt is done. Your brick is on there, and you will be able to see the depth in this vinyl and why it pops up 3D-ish. Thanks for watching today's video on how to use Siser Brick. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. See you guys next time.